Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Sucheta. Je m'appelle Sucheta, votre enseignante de la langue française, et dans cette vidéo, on va apprendre les nombres, première partie. That means in this video, we are going to learn the numbers, first part. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysucheta.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Preem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And as I already told you, in this video, I am going to teach you the numbers. That means in today's video, I'm going to teach you the numbers from 0 to 50. And in the second part of this series, I'm going to teach you the numbers from 51 to 100. Before we begin with this video, in case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Believe me guys, it really takes a lot of efforts to come up with the new and the updated content for you each time. So in case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button. And in case you're not following me over my Instagram page, go and follow me over there as well. Instagram page is Learn French by Sucheta. Now let's just get started with the video. Let's start with the number 0. 0 in French is known as zéro. Zero. It's zero. Alright. If you do not know how do you pronounce R in French, how do you master the pronunciation of the French R, I'm going to mention the link in the card above. You can watch that video and then come back here again. For the moment, if you do not know how do you really pronounce zero, you can pronounce R as ro also. There is no fault in that as well. So you can say it as zero. Zero. Okay. Zero. The next one is un. Un. 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Next is 6, 6. Next is 7, 7. The number 7, 7. Now here there is a trick. The letter P is silent. Instead you pronounce T. You have to pronounce T, but you don't have to pronounce P. So you say set. It's not sept. It's set. The next one is the number 8, and that's huit. Huit. Always note down that in French we do not pronounce the letter H. We write it, but it's always silent. Okay? It's huit. Huit. Neuf. 9, 10, 10, the number 10, 10. On répète. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. The next one, let's learn from 11 to 16. Now from 11 to 16, note that all the numbers are ending with ZE. All of them are ending with ZE, right? Let's begin from 11, and that's 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13,
14. C'est vraiment important que vous répétiez après moi. It's very, very important that you repeat after me. That's the only way that you can improve your pronunciations. Repeat after me. 14. 14. 15. 15. 16. 16. Now here, why did I give you this trick that all the numbers from 11 to 16 end with ZE? Reason is, they resemble a lot. Like for example, 1 is 1, this is 11. Now this is 2 is 2, 12 is 12. 3 is 3, 13 is 13. 4 is 4, 14 is 14. You see, they resemble a lot. 4, 14. Then 5 is 5, 15 is 15. And the next one, which is 6, is known as 6, and 16 is 16. 16. 6, 16. Now these are very, very close. This is 6, 6, and this is 16. 16. So wherever you are having Z pronunciation like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So wherever you have this Z sound at the end, you have to understand that it is from 11 to 16, right? Now, let's do 17, 18 and 19. This is very, very simple. How do you make 17? You say 10 plus 7 is 17. Similarly, 10 plus 8 is 18. 10 plus 9 is 19. So what do you need to do? Now 10 plus 7. 10 is known as these. 7 is known as set. So 17 is the set. Don't forget to put a dash in between. Whenever we join any two numbers, we always put a dash. Alright? So it's the set. The set. The next one is 10 plus 8. That's 18. 18. 18. This is 19. 19. Et finalement, 20. 20. This G and T, they both are silent. It's 20. 20. On répète. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. On répète. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 et 20. Now let's learn from 21 to 30. Now here I would like to tell you a rule. In 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71. In all these, we add A in between. Now what is this A? This A is actually, what does it mean? It actually means and. Alright, but that comes only in the numbers 21, 31, 41, like that. Alright, so now how do you form 21? It's very simple. How do you form? 20 plus 1 is 21. So now 20 was 20. 20 was 20. Now you add A, 20, and add 1 to it, and that's 21. 21. Now what did I tell you? Whenever you join any two numbers in French, you always put a dash in between, right? But when A comes, then you do not put any dash. Alright? So it is 21. Repeat after me. It's 21. 21. Okay, now from 22 to 29, it's a very simple. What do you need to do? It's 20 plus 2. 22 is 20 plus 2. 23 is 20 plus 3. 24 is 20 plus 4. Like we say in English, 21, 22, 23, 24. Similar way we have to say it in French also. Right? So 21 is 21. It's 21. Repeat after me. 21. Okay? Now here it's 22. Now here you have to put dash because here you don't have a in between, right? So this is 22. 22. The next one is 23. 23. 24. You already have done the counting from 1 to 9, right? So you just have to write like that. 23. 24. It's 24. 25 would be 25. 25. 26. 26. 26. Next is 27. 27. Here 28. 28. Now here there is a rule which I would like to tell you over here as well. If there is a word in French that ends with a consonant, like for example, this is ending with a consonant, and the next word begins with a vowel. H in French is also considered as a vowel. Why? Because this is always mute. I told you that H we do not pronounce in French, right? So in that case, you have to pronounce the last consonant as well. You say 28. And similarly here it was 20. Why? Because it was ending with a consonant T and this was beginning with a vowel which was E. So it becomes 20 together. It's 20. Alright. Now here it's 28. 28. The next one is 29. 29. And the last one is 30, which is 30. 30. 30. Okay. On répète ça. 21. 21. 22. 22. 23. 23. 24. 24. 25. 25. 26. 26. 27. 27. 28. 28. 29. 29. Et finalement, 30. 30. Now, let's start from 31 to 40. Again, it's very simple. In the previous slide, I taught you how do you say 30? It's 30. 30. So now, 31 would be 31. I told you, no? From in 21, 31, 41, you put this A in between. So it's 31. 31. 31. Next is 32. Very simple. 32. 33. 34. But you need to put the dashes in between. But yes, in case you're putting A, in that case you don't put the dash. Now 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. Et 40. 40. 40. Je répète. Repeat after me. 31. 31. 32. 32. 33. 33. 34. 34. 35. 35. 36. 36. This is all the counting from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is 37. 37. 38. 38. 39. 39. Et finalement, 40. 40. 40. Now, finally, let's do from 41 to 50. 41 is 41. Just remember, what did I tell you for 40? It was 40. 40. So it becomes 41. 41. A in between. 41. Next one is 42. Again the counting from 1 to 9. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 et finalement 50. 50. Repeat after me. 50. Alright, let's repeat. 41, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 et finalement 50. 50. Repeat after me. 50. Now here in front of you there are certain numbers which I have written, that is from 0 to 50. I would request you to grab a notebook, grab a pen. You learn the counting from 0 to 50, whatever I have taught you previously. Learn them and then just grab a notebook and grab a pen and then write all these numbers in French in your notebook and try pronouncing them as well. And when you are done, just check the answers from the description box below. I'm going to mention all the correct answers in the description box below. And that's it for this video. In case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.